My name is Melissa and I studied nutrition with CNM in Cork. So my favourite part about the course in CNM was the clinics. I found it really gave me the confidence that I needed to actually go out and practice on my own afterwards. I think without that I probably wouldn't have gone straight into my own practice. So after I graduate, I've opened my own clinic, so Nona Nutrition, and I plan on specialising in women's health and pregnancy nutrition. I always had an interest in nutrition and I was always doing small nutrition courses, but then when I found CNM, I just knew it was the college for me, and I was working in a health store at the time, so it just kind of went hand in hand for me to do it. So CNM has changed both mine and my family's life because I now have the knowledge to support us health-wise, and it's given me the opportunity to become self-employed and to work my hours around my family and my clinic as well. I would recommend the course to someone else. I think if you've an interest in nutrition, it's definitely the course for you. The content is fantastic. The clinics give you the confidence that you need to go out and be a successful practitioner.